Again, welcome to this Jewellery ERP program. So today I would like to discuss one of the use case where customer would like to uh, sell their old gold actually, and as a shopkeeper I would like to purchase a old gold. So how can I initiate the old gold purchase actually? So let's suppose this is my customers, and I go to my old gold purchase item. I can select the customer's name, and for this customer, if you have any open order, you can also pick up and get it registered with any one of your old invoices also. But I don't need anything here actually, so what I will do next, I will go to the old chain. Here I will pick up the old chain, and I will go and put my gross weight. Let's suppose 4.5 is my gross weight, and today is my rate, so 66,285. This has to be like cash payment has to be given to the customer actually. So I will go and place the purchase actually. So once you have made the purchase, now you can see for this particular customer we have already order cash flow is already given. So this order cash flow is 66,285. If I come back to the customer account detail page, then I can easily see the cash flows. So let me show you the cash flows which I have given to the customer. So in my customer account page, I can see the 66,285. The payment has been initiated from our side. As well as in the so if I can also come back to the payment section here, in the payment sections I can also see the cash outflow. So this 66,285 as a cash flow that I have given to Mohit. So cash outflow is also available in the payment sections. So all receipt sections along with the payment sections, you will see how many cash flows that we have given against the old gold purchase actually. So this was I was talking about how to buy a old gold from the customers, and you can create a old gold purchase item actually. So stay tuned for the more updates. Will uh, showcase you the more features about this particular jewelry ERP part. And thank you so much for being on this particular part of this program. Thank you so much.